Hi guys, so let's take a look at the means of conflict resolution, means of peace building. So basically, there are four types that you guys should know. First, you have negotiation, then you have mediation, then peace agreement, then peace building. Right. So, negotiation means parties of a conflict communicating with each other in order to meet common grounds through compromising, which means the parties of the conflict start communicating with each other with the intention of coming into mutual grounds, coming into common grounds, and this can be done through compromising. So negotiation is like the basic and the first step and the initial mean of conflict resolution that the parties can think of. Then you have mediation. Mediation means negotiation through a third party intervention. Now this is basically the same as the first mean we talked about, negotiation, but the difference is this time you have the intervention of a neutral third party. So mediation is considered as more effective than negotiation because when you have a neutral third party involved, that they can act in an unbiased way to facilitate the negotiation process. Then you have peace agreements. When it comes to peace agreements, you can consider this as a mutual agreement between the two parties of the conflict to restrain from war and violence. Now, peace agreement is not like a conclusive final stage. A peace agreement is simply the first step of the peace building process. So basically, peace agreement is the first step of the fourth one, which is peace building. Now, the peace agreement has certain terms and conditions, where in case of a mediation, this agreement and the terms are decided by the third party, and in a case of negotiation, the parties of the conflict themselves can create the peace agreement. Then you have peace building, which is the most important one, where you create peace, you establish peace in a more sustainable manner, preventing any other conflict from being occurred on the same root cause. So in this we can clearly see that peace building is a much more vast process. Therefore, in this unit also we study peace building as a separate lesson.